Welcome back to Semantic Tech, where we explore the latest innovations in the tech world. Today, we're diving into an exciting face-off: the Huawei Mate XT, the world's first triple-fold phone, versus the brand-new iPhone 16. Both of these devices have captured the attention of tech enthusiasts, but which one is right for you? Let's break down their standout features and compare them side by side. First, let's start with the Huawei Mate XT. Huawei has really raised the bar by introducing the world's first triple-fold smartphone, known as the Mate XT Ultimate Design. This phone is nothing short of a technological marvel, offering users 3 distinct modes of operation. When folded once, it functions as a regular 6.4-inch phone, but unfold it once more and you get a 7.9-inch display. The real magic happens when you fully unfold it, revealing a 10.2-inch tablet-sized screen. On the other hand, Apple's latest release, the iPhone 16, sticks to its more traditional design approach. However, Apple has made some significant hardware improvements, including the biggest screen ever on an iPhone. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a 6.9-inch display. But despite the screen size, Apple has focused more on AI-driven features this year, rather than a complete redesign of the phone's exterior. So what really sets the Mate XT apart? It's Huawei's cutting-edge foldable technology. This triple-fold phone uses a special hinge system that ensures smooth transitions between its 3 modes. Whether you're multitasking, reading, or gaming, the Mate XT is designed for flexibility. Apple's iPhone 16, meanwhile, delivers powerful AI features. Apple has introduced what it calls Apple Intelligence, designed to enhance Siri and improve camera functionality through AI. However, it's worth noting that many of these features are still in beta and will roll out gradually. Next, let's talk about performance. The Mate XT comes packed with 16 GB of RAM, making it an absolute powerhouse for multitasking. It's also equipped with a 5,600 mAh battery, which supports 66W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. This ensures the phone can handle all the demands of its foldable screen without running out of juice too quickly. Apple's iPhone 16, while slightly behind in terms of battery capacity, does benefit from its A18 chip built on 3nm technology, ensuring faster speeds and better ad processing. When it comes to cameras, the Mate XT doesn't hold back. It features a 50MP main camera alongside a 12MP ultra-wide and 12MP telephoto lens with 5.5x optical zoom. This is perfect for users who love photography and need versatility in their shots. Apple, on the other hand, enhances its iPhone 16 camera system with AI-powered photography features, though it's worth noting that the external design of the camera hasn't changed much from previous models. But here's where things get interesting: price. The Huawei Mate XT comes with a hefty price tag, starting around $2,800. This is significantly higher than the iPhone 16, which starts at $799 for the base model and $1,199 for the Pro Max. While Huawei's foldable technology justifies its high price, it's clear that this phone is aimed at a very specific segment of users who want the latest and greatest in mobile innovation. Apple's strategy, on the other hand, is to keep the iPhone 16 at a more accessible price point, especially as it didn't make any groundbreaking changes in the phone's design. Lastly, let's look at availability. The Huawei Mate XT is currently only available in China and comes in 2 sleek colors: dark black and Rue Red. If you're in other regions, you might have to wait or rely on imports to get your hands on this device. The iPhone 16, however, will be available globally starting September 20, with pre-orders beginning soon. So how do these phones stack up? If you're looking for a revolutionary design and are willing to invest in cutting-edge foldable technology, then the Huawei Mate XT is the clear choice. It's a phone for users who want more screen real estate without carrying a tablet around. However, if you prefer ad-powered features, a more traditional design, and a phone that's easier on the wallet, then the iPhone 16 is the way to go. That's it for today's comparison. Which phone do you think takes the crown? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tech comparisons and reviews right here on Semantic Tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.